We have a killer 1970 Trans Am, been completely ground up, body off frame, professionally restored. It's a 462 built motor, 5-speed transmission. It's just a slick ride throughout. Custom stereo. Here's the pile of paperwork that comes with it. It was even the cover car on Pontiac, high performance Pontiac, and there's like a 7 or 8 page spread in there. I actually just got halfway through it. I got to finish reading it. There's all sorts of neat information. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, this has a rubber nose on the front, longer than a garden hose. Uh, Excellent shape. The bumper is not damaged. It fits very nicely. Just maybe touched a little bit, a couple little crackles just in the paint, not the bumper. And all this fits beautifully. This car was acid dipped, so it was taken down to nothing, acid dipped, and then professionally built. Layers and layers, like 7 layers of PPG primer, then layers of paint, then layers of clear. But anyway, this is excellent. No rust, no damage. The sail panels got no crack. All this is absolutely straight. 3-piece spoilers fit real nice, all clean, straight. No issues. Square and flush panels. Same thing over here. No cracks or damage. All the way down to the bottom. Clean. It was a California car. See how this big giant heavy door opens. Shuts real nicely. All nice and clean. Sport mirrors, air extractors. This is pulling air out of the engine compartment. You got the spoilers and all that good stuff. It all looks great. Polar white, polished like glass. This is all special custom airbrushed on here. This is not a decal, and you don't feel any of it. It's all buried under the clear. This car has been painted about 15 years, and it still looks fantastic. The chrome bezels, the grille, all that looks real nice. Shaker hood. The flapper door actually opens and closes. Crystal clear windshield. The moldings look like they've been replaced. The rubber seals, weather strips all replaced. 17-inch torque thrust wheels with performance tires. All this is looking good. Doesn't have your typical rock chips. The back bumper's rechromed. Tail lights look like they're very nice original. So original rear window, just a few light scratches like they typically get, but darn near pristine exterior. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you inside the car. So I didn't mention in 2006, this won Best of Show at the Pontiac Trans Am Nationals. Now the keyhole has been filled in back here. It has a remote trunk release inside. All painted up nice. I really like this embroidered carpeted filler panel. You got new weather strip, and the whole inside of the trunk is boxed and carpeted. Killer stereo system, big amplifier, subwoofer. There's 6x9 speakers on the rear shelf. They only made about 3,000 Trans Ams altogether. They were called 70 and a half because GM was on strike, so they got started later on in the year. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified as the new videos are posted. So the jambs are painted nice, bottom of the doors look real nice and clean. Has a custom two-tone interior, so door panels look to be in excellent shape. You got the blue inserts and the strap. And then moving inside, the dash has the nice machine-turned Trans Am panel. These are stock gauges, but they have the white faces have been applied, which I think looks great. That's the miles since it's been redone. 1,425 miles is all it has on it. Looks like the heater control panel was replaced. The dash pad's in really nice shape. I haven't seen these before. I've seen the molded kick panels, but this is molded for a little tweeter right there. It's pretty cool. Clean glove compartment. That's our inspection sheet. Down on the floor, you got nice bright blue carpet, embroidered mats. Yeah, look at all the documentation. I just started going through this. Here's the stereo unit. It's an Eclipse. Nice factory console with the Hurst shifter with the T handle on it. We've got power windows. Custom upholstered two-tone seats. Now, we just had them restuffed. The foam inside was kind of turning to dust. You'd see a lot of dust on the carpet, powder. So we had these recushioned. It was about $1,300 or $1,400, professionally done. Same embroidered mats in the back. Back seats are, of course, upholstered to match the front. The side plastic looks to be in good shape. There's the rear mesh speaker shelf. Headliner's been replaced. Visors match the headliner. One of my favorite steering wheels, the Formula wheel. This looks like a nice reproduction. It is on a tilting column. And then before you leave, it says retractable shoulder belts with the nice little cushion. So when you're doing 110 miles an hour and you hit the brakes, it won't leave bruises on you. So there's some work done here. This was sent to a machine shop in Pennsylvania as a 455 motor that was bored 30 over, making it a 462. It's balanced. It was dyno tuned. It's about 500 horsepower, 500 and some pounds of torque. Roller cam in there, roller lifters, forged aluminum pistons, 4-bolt main block, Edelbrock aluminum heads with stainless valves. Tomahawk aluminum intake with an Excel fuel injection system. Also has an Excel ignition system hiding back there somewhere. And a set of coated headers. You can see it's a factory air car, but it's all been upgraded and updated. These are custom fender supports. I like these. Here's an overflow bottle for the aluminum radiator, which has dual electric fans, a nice custom cover on top. March serpentine runner system. So you got serpentine belt and pulleys, polished compressor, aluminum water pump helps keep it cool, billet brackets, aluminum alternator, modern power steering. This here is a master key. You shut this off, you can take this with you and it disconnects the car. Yeah, I mentioned the chrome power steering. It's got power brakes, nice chrome valve covers. You see the shaker hood, all real nice. Got the rubber seal. It's airbrushed on there and cleared over. A good looking motor compartment. Got some giddy up and go, which Michael's going to show you right now. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, got this super sweet TA here today, and 5-speed manual transmission. Don't hesitate to take this one out on the highway. Some cruising, nice little extra 5th gear there. Really stout performance built 462 under the hood. That's with fuel injection. Really nice, kind of thought-free power plant there. It's a high-end build. It's been on the cover of High Performance Pontiac, and it's also been best of show at the Pontiac Nationals there. So yeah, great car, power steering, power brakes. Always was a fan of this kind of like a cushion grip steering wheel. Gives you something nice to grab onto. Take a second here to check out the idle. It's nice and clean. Doing everything we want her to. All right, without further delay, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to highway speed, absolutely no problem at all. Really babied her. I was probably about a third of the way in the pedal. It's super cold out here, something like 20 degrees Fahrenheit and about I think a 10 degree like real feel. So just wanted, yeah, got cold tires, everything else. Just want to treat her real nice. But yeah, good running motor here. It does everything that we want it to. So got up in that fifth gear there. It looked like it was about 55 miles an hour and only I think about 1,600 RPMs. I really didn't have my eye on it at that time, but that's roughly what it was sitting at. So check out the downshift here. All right. So yeah, our shop went over this car top to bottom. We did have a little bit of a bill on it, about $2,400 spent. And well, the big ticket item there was re-cushioning the seats, you know, so they're not sagging or anything like that. They feel great. They're extremely comfortable. If you need a full listing of the service that we performed, of course, you can go on our website and get that. But yeah, come out, test drive it yourself. Spend as much time with the car as you'd like to. It's a great performer. We'll put it up on a lift for you. Do anything that you need us to. But yeah, as I see it, runs and drives just fine, and somebody's really going to love this one. Great car, absolutely. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
Has a little Sirius XM satellite receiver right there. So as I said, this thing was acid dipped. So everything was removed from under the car, the frame, all the components. It was all completely rebuilt when it was put back in. So all the steering and suspension was redone. It does have Global West springs and tubular frame connectors to prevent the body twist. It has Coney gas shocks. Has a really nice pipes exhaust system, 3-inch, all stainless steel. Has the X pipe, has the nice polished tips coming out the back, just like the original Trans Am, but much fatter. Brakes were all redone, upgraded to disc front and back. Fuel system was replaced, all compatible for the fuel injection system. You look up at the motor, it's a big anodized extra capacity oil pan. It has a heavy duty scatter shield, dual force or dual disc clutch, a Richmond 5-speed. It's a posi in the back. It's 308 gears. You can go cruising all day long with this thing. And the floors are all real nice, rust-free metal. They are sprayed in a black chip guard paint, like a almost glossy, more than semi-gloss, not quite a gloss. So really nice car throughout. Wonderful to drive. This is one you can just get in and go cruising. Turn the air on, shift those gears, hear the exhaust. You'll love it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer the questions I didn't. They'll help with shipping to your door and financing if you need it. Thanks for watching.